Hi everyone, today new video about rust removal solutions. So it might be interesting for many of you that have a rusted tank like I have right behind me. So this one is the Kawasaki Victor tank. Inside is completely rusted. Because of that I can't use the bike. The rust inside is pretty heavy, so we will try two solutions today in order to remove that rust. The first solution is this one. This one is widely available in Thailand. So it's a solution that comes in two parts. The first one is the solution that removes the rust, and this one is the solution that prevents the rust to come again. So this one needs to be diluted with a ratio of 1 to 20, so 20 parts of water for 1 part of that solution. And this one here is another solution, a cheap one as well. This one is a 5% distilled vinegar. So I saw online that this might work as well. We will try both today, both solutions, and we will see which one worked the best. Let's get to it. Okay, so next step, I will close these holes and this one, and then we will put the liquid inside. All right, so I found back this part, so I can put it back here. So this hole will be closed, and there is only this one left. I start by filling up approximately half of the tank with water. The tank capacity is about 10 liters, so I pour the whole 500 milliliter solution bottle inside. Then I fill it up again with water until it's completely full. Alright guys, so today is day 2. I let the tank rest overnight for about 14 hours. So I will try to show you inside. I hope you guys can see it clearly, but it's way better than before. So the gray areas here, it's bare metal, so it removes completely the rust from these areas. But there is still some area covered with rust here, actually pretty thick. So I believe it would have been better before pouring the solution inside to clean the tank with clear water or maybe soapy water to remove the excess of oil and gasoline inside the tank. So it's my mistake, and I think next time I will try doing that first. So as the rust has not been completely removed from the tank, try another way to do it. So you pour it inside, close the tank, and put it upside down like that in order to put the solution everywhere inside on all the surfaces. And let's see if it works or not. Okay, so I let the vinegar rest for 24 hours. Then I removed it from the inside of the tank. Honestly, it worked really well. Remove a lot of more rust from the inside of the tank. It might be a little less powerful than the solution because you have to leave it longer for kind of the same result. So I flushed it with clear water. I did the operation maybe 7 or 8 times in order to remove all the leftover from the rust inside of the tank. And then I leave it to dry for about 12 hours or so. So the weird thing is like now the tank has started to rust again. So you can see a thin layer of rust all over it. So I'm not sure this rust layer is a big deal. It's actually normal when you leave a raw metal in contact with air and water for even a few hours. It can appear. It reminds me of the cylinder that come back from the honing shop. If you remove the thin layer of oil from the cylinder sleeve, you will see that the rust start to appear even 2 or 3 hours after. So I believe it's kind of the same problem. So anyway, I cannot do much about that. So I will pour the solution inside. So this bottle here is a rust preventive solution that you need to pour in the tank after it's completely dry and free from rust. So it will prevent the rust to come back again. After you're good to go, you can fill it up with gasoline. You don't have to let it dry. So let's try that. Check. Okay, so don't do like me and close every hole under it, because I've completely forgot to put the filter on it. So I will put that back and try again. Okay, so in order to summarize a little bit, which product do I recommend? Honestly, it's up to you because both worked. I tried it out. The first one worked, I would not say better, but in a shorter period of time, you can get the same result. But if you have time, and if this product, the vinegar, I believe it's easier to get. Maybe in your region there is no product like this one. This brand maybe is not distributed in your area. So both worked. The good thing with that is it comes with the anti-rust solution that you pour inside. Time will say if it works or not. So if I had to give you a tip, and like I did with the tank, after I rinse it out with water, I let it dry like for a few hours, and as I told you, the rust came back. So in order to avoid that as much as possible, it would have been better to use a compressed air, for example, to dry it within a few minutes, and then pour directly this anti-rust solution inside. So I believe it would have been better. But otherwise, both solutions, as I said, worked, and I'm pretty happy with the result. When you see the difference before and after, it's pretty impressive. So if you have any questions, if I missed something in the video, you can leave a comment down below, and I will try to answer you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, please put a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!